Ho, ho, ho. That is the end of my statement. The market is actually being a little ho. Welcoming you back to Crypto's Juiciest News. This is Bitcoin's price chart on the daily. But if you come and zoom in, this is what everybody's basically been tumbling about. But why, friends? Of course, I know, because everyone's one on leverage, and two, the altcoins aren't moving. So like, it's kind of funny, man. These people, they always come out and they go, why is everybody upset? I don't know, bro. Maybe everybody is turbo long altcoins and they've been waiting 4 years. They've round tripped 4 years. Chainlink was $20 4 years ago. Now it's $22. You know, for example, Hex, same thing. 4 years ago, it's around the same price. So pretty much everyone's round tripped at 4.5 years, and Bitcoin's up even higher. And everyone's trying to make the faster gain. So that's the risk you take, right? The risk you take is your altcoins either go straight to zero, or it just takes a very, very, very long time. They're long duration assets, okay? I'm just going to summarize things here for you, friends. So this is Bitcoin. So I've had a look at, you know, what everyone else thinks in the market. Hello, Mr. Market. Are we going down or are we going up? Okay, look. If it's over, this is what we would see. Before I continue anything, this is what we would see. If it was over right now, you see Bitcoin here? Okay, if it's over, when Bitcoin retraces back to like 100K, okay, so I'm going to just draw this like this little fib thing, comes back around here. You see, if it's over, see in this period here, if we get back here and altcoins are in a giant parabolic mania, it's over. That is what we call the end game. That's a slingshot, friends. That's Bitcoin making the lower high, and altcoins, which is, you could look at others index, thrashing up. Do you want to know last time this happened? Last time this move happened was actually 2021, Dogecoin mania. So this lower high, friends, literally happened in Dogecoin mania, which I'll show you. So here is the Bitcoin weekly chart. Now, and they are big weekly candles, but of course it works in every time. Look what happened here. So Bitcoin dropped down. You see that? And if you zoom in, it came back to the 61% retrace. Came back to 57,000. This was literally Elon Musk went on Saturday Night Live. We had Dogecoin mania. That was literally the top. Top of Doge was right there in May. And that was it. It was literally all over. Like the final moment. And then China, insider scammers, banned Bitcoin. See us. And then we dropped down, killed the whole bull market. All right. So of course we were going to run out of buyers anyway. It's just like they just made it worse. They made the correction like really, really, really deep and disgusting. So Bitcoin basically went so low, it went down like to the 50% zone from the top. This is like this killed the bull market. 55% drop. Okay, so that is end game. End game. Now here's the thing, man. Yeah, it can always happen. Of course, it always happens. Just like personally, I know you're all thinking of cheating. Not you, friends. Of course, the friendship cult. We're in here. We believe. Or I know the rest of the crypto industry, they're thinking of cheating. They are Jeets. They're paper hands, lettuce hand Larry, paper hand Pete. All of them thinking of cheating. So the odds of that happening, I think, are very, very low. Like I don't see people going, oh, sweet, I got to go parabolic right now. Why? Because I know everybody's in a seller's mindset. Because they think the bull market's ending early. Because everybody thinks the bull market's over in the next 3 months. Everybody thinks they're going to get a 10x to sell in the next 3 months to cheat out. And because, remember, luckily, I've been warning you about this. Not warning, but kind of preparing, right? I have been warning. Like, don't get your hopes up too much. I'm still bullish on the bull market, of course. I want the whole year to play out. We might have a white swan in the next year. Yeah, it might be carrot on the stick. It might be the lollipop stick. I know. But what else are we going to do? It's cope. It's just you, me, and Spooney. Get it, Spooney! You see? So that's pretty much, if everyone's thinking of selling, okay, this is the thing, friends. If everyone's thinking of cheating on a 10x, the people they on board and everyone else out there, it's basically it's a wider market telling you that they even think a 4 or 5x is now expensive. Okay, for you to cheat on a 10x, people have to see the 10x price higher as value. They'll only buy 10x higher if they think it's going another 2 or 3x above that. If they genuinely think it's going to 20 or 30x from today, they'll be buying that 10x. Now, the problem with the 20 or 30x from today is I think your whole crypto industry becomes 20 trillion to 30 trillion. So to me, that's a big leap for 1 year. I know it's just market cap fugazi, but The stock market's 45 trillion. You need a lot of money sustaining on the bids to come in a very family-friendly way coming in to basically get that number. Now, obviously, I do believe one day crypto does go to 100 trillion, but this is how I'm like measuring these things in my mind. Now, I'm just showing you, this is the total crypto market cap right here, right? I'm showing you, this is total. See, it's at 3 trillion. Well, if everyone wants their altcoins to do a 10x, this thing does, if you just check it out, this thing does like a 4x, which is up here. There you go, like a 4 or 5x. See that? That's, man, you're looking at like an 18 trillion market cap. And in the next 90 days, not happening, bro. But you know, how do people think like this? Well, it's because everyone thinks in their own altcoin that they're in the genius unicorn winner. That's how we come to that conclusion. The XRP guy, the Stellar guy, the one dude still holding EOS. You know what I mean? The Hex guy. Everyone, doesn't matter what it is, every single person, every coin, they think they've got the legendary unicorn. They think I'm going to be the overperformer. But what I actually show you, I show you others. I show you basically a summary of all the coins. Okay, so what we've now done, this is the others chart, friends. We've done that, that back retest thing again. It's come back up here. I'm still, of course, still bullish and optimistic for what's to come. But yeah, now you get an idea of what's appearing. Now, if we check out others BTC, man, that's a disgusting pullback. Oh my God. Yeah, man, look, I'm calling it now. We're getting a dampened Altseason wave number 1, Habib. Unless if you give me 2 green weeks and we recover this, okay, sweet, straight away. If we do something like, if you go up, like I want to see like an actual epic reversal. Okay, I want to see like a turbo reversal pump. Then we can like basically imagine a recovery. Whoa, man, oh my gosh. Whoa, look at that. That's deep. It's still bull market, still alt season. Just you're gonna have to lower your expectations for alt season wave number 1. I think we really are gonna get this. I know you're all drilling the Jeet. I know you are, fans. I know you are. Okay, 99% can't kill me. Can't kill you either. I know they're all ready to go. You're all ready to go. I hear all the comments. I hear the whispers. Everyone's saying it's been too long, man. I've had no gains. I just want to get out. Okay, bro. Okay, I'm just telling you. Remember the traffic jam example. Everyone's leaving home early to avoid the traffic jam. You are now the traffic jam you were trying to avoid. Good luck. You're now going to sit in it. And everybody else who's just waiting, we're going to do fine. Because you've jammed yourself at the beginning of next year because you have to get out. And all of us who say, you know what? The 4-year cycle, you're my friend, and I'm catching you again with my Pokeball. Sweet. I'm waiting till December 2025 it is. Okay, Q4, end of next year, 4-year cycle. Also, remember, friends, I've told you, as I tweak my nipples every single day, don't believe the FUD. The Bitcoin Halvening FUD. Don't believe it. Okay? What's everyone saying? They go, oh, the inflation halving is so small that the Bitcoin halvening doesn't matter. Just, you believe that? See, the funny part, everybody's saying that. They all think they're geniuses, but they haven't actually checked the market. It's because they're so self-absorbed. Go and look at everybody else out there. You're all saying the exact same thing. You're all giving no weight to the Bitcoin halvening. But it just depends. It's woo-woo magic. Satoshi accidentally lined up the Bitcoin 4-year halvening with the 4-year global debt liquidity cycle, the rollover with the government debt. Okay, pure magic, pure coincidence, but they work. Yeah, they work together and in sync. And unless the US government says we're going to change all the government bond durations, instead of every 4 years, we're going to roll them every 2 years. Unless they say that, you got nothing to worry about, because then there'll be 2-year cycles. That's what will happen after that. But they're not going to do that. Imagine 2-year economic cycles. It's too fast. Okay. Now, as you know, all the prices of dog poop. Jim Cramer got bullish, so we dumped down further. Of course, I've got some tweets to show you later on there. Tuah girl, she came back with a statement. She made some statements saying, legally now I am back. And then, of course, Tuah starts pumping because it's memes and communities. Like that's it, man. If you're in a meme community, it's network effects and mindshare. They just want this, hey, we want to see you showing an avenue that you still believe. That's it. You don't need, there's no revenue stream from it. It's people trading and speculating mindshare who can recruit their friends into the book club. You see? That's the thing, friends, by the way. Think about anything, all the coins on PulseChain. Orange Man, good, Dick with Butt, Pika. You got all the Pokemons. You got a Ditto. You got the Pormies. all these other sexy coins, friends, even PETA and everything else, okay? Here's the thing, okay? With crypto, you can put in a little $1 or $10. You can join. See, the book club entry is very unique. It's very liquid. You can literally put like one membership entry in and put $1 in and $10. No, you're not forced to buy more. You can choose to buy more if you want. That's what you can do. That's what crypto lets you do. Anyone in the world, and that's what public markets let you do. Okay, that's a big advantage out here. So if someone out here bets the farm on Tuah girl, that's why the market, we all understand. We're like, dude, why'd you go all in on that? Why didn't you put in $100 or $10? Why did you go put in 37,000? Okay, because you were trading. Okay, so you lost on a trade like everything else. You see? So everyone's starting to have an understanding of these. And yeah, but what people will do is if something goes down in price, they'll point to someone who's excited about it and they'll say, oh, you're a representation of everyone getting excited. Yeah, but that makes no sense. Okay, hey, you didn't tell me to go buy these coins as soon as they launch. I missed out on 100x. So your lack of information for me, your lack of energy cost me money. You know, I'm still suffering. People out there have cancer and they could have literally had their bills paid for if you told them the information, but you withheld it from them, okay? That's perjury under law. You see what I mean? So if you go with this, that's why you sound like a cuckoo person talking like that. Like, dude, just move on. You're playing a game. That's what I tell you, friends. We are playing a game. We're in the metaverse already. Now, what I'm going to do is play some hardcore. Feeling it. Yeah, man, I'm feeling it. I like, okay, from everything you've seen, everyone's losing their minds. Did you now see how you don't even need to know that the monthly candles ticked red? You see? That's the monthly candle for Bitcoin. Back down here, it was 92,000. Everyone losing their mind, deep red, okay? Isn't it cool? You get to see, oh, we're all trading the weekly and the monthly candle color. Yeah, that's it. So remember, next year in 2025, we're either going to have, like, okay, if it's a good bull market, we'll have 3 red candles only out of 12. If it's a China scam, evil piece of shit, soy-infused bull market, we'll get 6 red candles. Now, all the signs of the universe, and man, I've been tweaking my nipples every single day as well to help. All the signs are telling me we're going to get 3. It's a Donald Trump repeat. All the signs. Just totally guessing, but, you know, maybe we do 4, maybe we do 5, whatever. Just don't give us 6, man. 6 was disgusting. 6 was straight robbery. But I don't feel like we're going to get 6 because like Donald Trump Matrix dodged the bullet, okay? There's so many near misses, friends. Remember me, the flying crucifix. There's so many things have come out just showing us it's a believer cycle. I don't know how we're gonna do it. It's gonna happen. I don't know. Man, wouldn't it be crazy, friends, if by like June next year we've had 3 red monthly candles, and then I'm like, look, I know this sounds crazy, but I'm still holding. We're probably just gonna get 6 green in a row, and imagine we just go 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be hilarious if that happens, but we'll see. In other news as well, friends, the US agencies prepare for imminent government shutdown. So don't worry, man. I've been trading. Literally, as soon as I came in, man, I was like young little bright-eyed Sammy learning, like, how does the government shut down and why are the markets still going up? Man, that was funny. Because back then, friends, early like 2000s, you didn't have 2000 and like 11, 12, 13. There's not proper YouTube stuff. There's no information out here. All the insiders and people who trade, like, they know what's going on. The market players know, but there's no one explaining this stuff. And like, just me learning, I was like, how come markets go up when the government shuts down? You realize it's all one big game, man. Everyone knows, man, market's smarter than you and me. It understands all these things. So yeah, maybe they do a shutdown, they do some votes, no one gives a crap. It's just one of these things, okay, keep turning the wheel of justice. As you saw, friends, there's been big news. So the Craptos founder quit. So he got $300 to $500 million unlocks, and then he quit. So I made a full video on it. Just to show you, friends, remember, I'm here to empower you, okay? The forces of good in this world empower you, okay? The forces of evil take away power. They centralize power. They take it away from you to them, okay? I'm here decentralizing power. When you see Craptos, you can choose not to play. I'm just telling you what their game is. The game is you and I can't buy into the ICOs. The public could not get in, okay? Only VC insiders get in, yeah? They released only 8% of the tokens, 8% or maybe 5%, okay? Low float, the VC game. Then they get all the exchange listings day one, literally day one. Where's your community? Don't exist. Where's your tags on Twitter? Don't exist. Where's your on-chain volume? Don't exist. The chain wasn't even launched, okay? So, but they had Binance listings day one and everything else, okay? So they've done the necessary bribes. Some call them bribbies. They did the right bribbies. They gave away token supply everywhere. Okay, sweet. Then every unlock that comes, the founder's just dumping. And now, as soon as all his unlocks are over, he exits between $300 or $500 million. He walks away. Literally writes a full essay, walks away. So I'm just here telling you the game. That's like, it's a believer cycle. I'm just like, I don't care what happens, okay? I know 1 out of 20 of these, a unicorn's going to keep pumping, even without the founder. I know. But just 19 out of 20 times, this type of stuff rubs me the wrong way. It's not even the moral thing. Who cares about the moral thing? It's like, well, where's the incentive now? By the way, we ended up finding out. I'll just show you more posts later. The money for the marketing was used just to pump the price for exits. That's it. Man, there you go. That's VCs, man. That's VCs. I've been making videos for literally a whole year telling you the crypto market participants, especially Spooney, he's on a rampage today. They are sick and tired of these VC insider games, okay? They want a game that's transparent, okay? Memes are transparent. They are. No one's saying everyone's going to win in memes. No one's saying that. No one's saying everyone's going to hold forever. Meme coins say, you know what? We're all screwed in the bear market, especially utility coins, because no one wanted to use in the first place. And now there's no... The only utility is like having fun and making money. You know what I mean? If you can't get us to do that, okay, sweet. Your coin's just as useless as everything else. So the market is woken up to that, okay? And they prefer why this MemeCoin SuperCycle, memes, cults, religions, okay? People respect fair. And also, it just mathematically works out because you have free advertisers. You have loud megaphones everywhere. So PulseChain, friends, 200,000 plus people in there. You got 170 content creators, 72 streamers. You see that? So it's all free. They're working 24/7. So while you sleep, you wake up, people have done tweets. People have done posts. Their videos have been released. You see that? That's working for you over time. In Craptos, friends, Craptos' on-chain volume is 75% lower than PulseChain. However, okay, the coin valuation is 8 times bigger. Let me refresh this page. Bang. Yeah, it's 8 times bigger. They're 8 billion and we're like 1 billion for Pulse. Do you see that? So that's what gives me conviction. I'm like, hey, why is the market giving you that? I go, I know, because you guys are doing the slow distribution on retail, all the exchanges over time. You see? You now see it. So you don't have, you can play that game if you want. I'm here telling you, okay? I don't tell you buy this or sell it. I don't tell you that, okay? Not financial advice. You can do what you want. And you just know the game now. You just know, okay, I want to align myself with incentives. Like, friends, even like, the late Charlie Munger would always say, like, show me the incentives. I'll tell you the outcome straight away. Show me the incentives. Okay, you're a founder. You got every unlock. Okay, I'll tell you the outcome. You're going to spend the money to just shill the coins on every unlock to exit. And now that you're done, you don't care about the project. Okay, see yous. I don't even think he left the moon bag, by the way. That's the wild part. There's no evidence of how much he sold and stuff, but it's very obvious, dude. Like you've had 3 years of unlocks. Literally the last day he got his unlock, okay? The last day he got his unlock, literally final unlock, 2 days later. Hey guys, I'm actually done now. See yous. I've got no responsibility. He's like, he can't be bothered. Man, at least leave a moon bag in the thing you found it, So remember, back to price action, friends. If Bitcoin is in a distribution end phase, then when it comes back to 100K, there would be a big Altseason pump thrust. So yeah, I'm just going to show you, Max. This was, Jim Cramer. I've studied every false shutdown since the times of Bill Clinton, and you always had to buy the fear, not sell it. As soon as he said that, by the way, we started capitulating lower. So sell the fear, sell the fear. There's like everyone in the comment section replying under him was like, crap, sell the fear, sell the fear. It's kind of hilarious. This is blockchain backer distribution patterns here. But, okay, this is the one. This is from China's 2021. Here's the thing, friends. We're down here. Yeah. If we bounce back here and there's wild Altseason mania, okay, it's over. It's just the thing is, nothing moved, man. Like, I want to show you, like, how do I know? Okay, firstly, this is Corridanzo's chart. The fractal's still working out. It's kind of funny. We're in this part here. Hopefully it starts sweeping up. So everything pretty much, they move pretty much in line together. What I'll show you now is look how low others BTC is. See, if you want to see where was Dogecoin Mania, it was actually right here. See May? So friends, if you allow me just to be a little bit less racist, let's go on a daily chart. Just excuse the racism here, all this flippity flappity. Okay, you see this right now. You see how that was Dogecoin Mania. Look what happened here on a daily. Look at this, friends. It was literally freaking up only, bro. Wow, this is nuts. It was literally from January. Remember I told you, friends, did I not tell you? It's like 100 days. Yeah, if you go 100 days from the top, reach your top, you walk back 100 days, you have around here. Remember, it's a daily chart, so the super trend is lower here. There you go. We literally, that's it. It's actually right here. There's just this big thrust. You see that? 100 days. So the first 50 is the bear market floor, and the next 50 is total mania. There you go. That is what was required to get the mania. See this? This is it. You're like, uh-oh, danger, danger, danger. We have not come down. Bang. And look at this, by the way. Check this out. This date is still May. May, 11th of May, 2020. 11, 12. So it basically tops out 18th. That's that final week. That's why the final 14 days, Bitcoin's made a lower high, and we've just gone bang, 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 up and up and up and up. And that's actually, this is a nice part. Nice, not nice. But what you remember of 2021, friends, you know your exciting period, you only actually remember these final 14 days, okay? You remember them, okay? That's where like everyone lost their minds, okay? Because they thought it was just getting started. It's starting to find again, but then it was actually all over straight away. And then altcoins didn't recover, and then you have this scammy thing at the start. You see how delicate it is at the start? Even, look at this, friends, by the way, we never went parabolic in the second half of the year. We didn't even have enough time to go up forever. You see, we finally were just recovering. And then, like, look at this time period from November. Yeah, it was pretty much over. We only had like a month worth, if you check it. Yeah. Basically, 50 days worth. Basically, it was just walking on through its complacency. But you get to see, interesting, this pattern, right? Just go up forever and then snap up. Has it done it before? Yes. If you go back even to the previous cycle, okay, this is 2017. Look at these. You had 2 alt-season waves. This was it. This is crazy, man. This is what it looked like. This was that first 2017 alt-season wave 1. Look at this. Up, bang. And by the way, this is free, but this is absolutely enormous. You're going from 2% up here. Now you're up 8%. Yeah, so in this period, everyone makes like an 8 or a 10x. And that's a funny part. In this period again, they make another 10x again in this period. So yeah, every coin went 100x in this year. Pretty much, man. XRP did 620x in this year. 620x. I mean, like, you know what? Why, friends? Bitcoin ran 17x in 2017. So if you want to know, why did altcoins all do 100x? Because Bitcoin ran almost 20x. There you go. Went from 1,000 to 20K. See how it's very important? And by the way, Ethereum, I forgot how much it ran. We should check. Oh, here we go. Ethereum ran 100x. Ethereum ran from $8, from $8 here to about 900 at the end of December. See? 900. From $8 to 900. We could say $9 to 900. 100x. So once again, I told you, you want your passage, your rite of passage for altcoins. Ethereum is the big daddy, man. It's Ethereum. See, Ethereum ran 100x, all the altcoins ran 100x. You know, Ethereum did okay last cycle, but we want to know the numbers. Ethereum from this point, if you go check it out, from 4 years ago from this point, here we are. Ethereum did to the top about a 5 or a 6x, and yeah, many altcoins did like around that 5 or 6 up to about the 10 to 12. See, they did about the 10x. See that number 10x? That's why everybody from today, they remember that. They're like, oh, I want to make a 10x. The market kind of remembers. He remembers. Everyone wants, oh, I want a 10x again. Yeah, but here's the thing. You need Ethereum, Habibi, to run your 4 or 5x from today. So we need ETH. If you want a Jeet, you need Ethereum at $18,000 by March, April, May, June next year. All their intention to sell. Isn't it cool that I've shown you all these ratios? By the way, you can actually, you know everything I just said. You can see this, everything I said, this description on an others ETH chart. This is it. See how it goes nowhere? And this pretty much, this is like a 50% move. So if you check out from 4 years ago, look at this. If you grab from December 4 years ago to the top, you get about 50 to 70%. That's 80%, right? Around, just say 50% flat rate. Basically means whatever ETH did, you did around 50% on top, okay? Do you see? Look at this, friends. Look at this. Others Man, it's basically you're trading altcoins versus ETH. See, Ethereum is Big Daddy. Ethereum, that's what they call the mothership of poop coins. It's true, man. Look at it. Are you shocked? Look at this. Yeah. By the way, not a single person I've ever seen. I've been in crypto for, since 2018, man. It's been years, yeah. No one has ever done others ETH. Ever. When I discovered it and I started looking at it and I found out all these, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is literally this. If people really understood this chart, they would understand most altcoins fans are just total scams. They're just literally, Ethereum is the mothership of poop coins. They're all just free riding off Ethereum. That's on average. That's the whole index. The index of altcoins. So here's the thing. Everyone knows that chart now. What do? They go, oh, I'm picking the ones that I think are going to do better anyway. You see? So, but this is just it. As an entire index, these things just glide against ETH. Everybody is just free riding off ETH in a way to look at it. Now, if I go and check the weekly chart of Bitcoin, it's right on track, right? We had these 2 weekly candles in December, which is exactly what we had back in December 2020. Look at this. This is actually November around here. So 2 red weekly candles, then we start going up only. But honestly, I don't know, friends, because, Uncle Bobby's got maybe a deeper pullback. You never really know with these, man. Like, just, you got to believe. I don't know how we're going to get there. How many red, how many green? I don't know, man. I guess, I don't know. I'm just waiting. We'll see what happens. Now, if I had spare fiat and cash out here, I'd throw it in. But I mean, if you're new, I would throw it in. You could do what you want. I just keep throwing it in. A lot of people already in. Everyone's waiting. I know everyone in PulseChain community very disappointed as well because it's not moving. Yeah, man, you just got to wait for 2025. Friends, also, just like Richard does stuff late. He never does anything early, okay? None of his stuff ever goes early, ever. It's late. Literally late. Because he's trying to get the biggest outcome for him, to get the biggest trade for him. So he's not there to feed your dopamine. Okay, he doesn't want you to feel like you're winning along the way. Like, for example, Richard would rather dump his own coins down 99% and send it up like 3x the all-time high. He would rather that, like you suffer for 3.5 years and then pump it up in like the last 3 months. He'd rather that than you just glide up, 50% every single like 6 months or something and then get to only like 1/4 of that target. So the gliding up, that's dopamine hit, right? You're like, yes, I'm winning, things are going great, but you can't get that, man. In crypto, that's dangerous to even conceive of that, because once liquidity drains, that you don't get this dopamine feeling, unfortunately. But that's crypto, guys. You want to change your life? Okay, get infinitely cheap prices and then parabolic moves. Where are we going to go from here? Well, we just need 2025 to tick over, like I mentioned. If you're curious, right, matching others BTC and how high everyone thinks everything will go, the next pit stop might be around here. 3 to 4x day one sack based off others and everything, and then you're going to the next round of Jeets. But hey, it'll be higher from here. That'll be good. Now, keeping to the theme of Christmas, I'm going to be honest, friends. When I came into crypto, I thought, you know what? This technology can change the world. 6 years later, this is what we got.
Hello, baby dolls.
Well, I died. I got the hat. Friends, I put on the hat first and I'm watching it and I'm like, man, is this some sort of mind link precognition thing? Like, man. So, friends, Andre, like this, how does this make sense? Andre was making me and fart videos. It was literally 15,000 market cap. You can't imagine alone. Friends, 15K market cap. No one you and I know could make a coin and that could actually stay that low. Impossible. Because $300 pumps it. Literally just 300. Literally pumps it. Just starts smacking it up. And he started making videos on it. It wasn't even his coin. It just kept making videos. I'm like, dude, this is like... Andre, are you sure you want to dedicate your life to fart on PulseChain? And then he responded to me with another fart video. So, I don't know. Look, this is it. This is speaking of like, telling you now, we're expecting like year of the MemeCoin SuperCycle. Is it going to be year of the farts? Like, look what happened here. Check this out, man. You're going to die. You're going to die. This is literally on CNBC, fam. This is freaking hilarious. They talk about Fartcoin.
Rampant. And now those advisors are nervous because their clients are calling up saying,
I want to be in Fartcoin or something.
Exactly. I want speculation.
So they're still talking about speculation, and the anchor goes, yeah, your clients are calling you up saying, I want Fartcoin. Man, I just like, did you ever think Bitcoin, fix the money, fix the world? We got to fix the monetary policy, guys. The government's printing too much money. And then instead, during the bull market, they're going, hey, give me some of that Fartcoin. It's kind of like, you can't name something anything more of a joke, right? It's literally the sound of a trumpet that comes out of your butthole. And oh my God, look, friends, I'm not in this. I'm not in Fartcoin, okay? I've bought my public wallet multiple times. Andre's fart on PulseChain. So I'm not promoting it, okay? It just makes me laugh. Like, I can't believe they were right. That's what makes me laugh. I'm like, you guys are actually right? Because I'm saying to him, man, I thought, man, like, farts. I don't know, bro. You really want to put this your effort. That's what, like, I don't argue with the marketplace. I don't. You know, I know prices go up or down. My gosh, I know it looks parabolic, and then you look at the market cap, dude. It gave liquidity. Man, don't look. Not financial advice. If you don't like stuff, just sell. Okay, sell. You're in profit. Sell. Okay. It's baffling to me. Really, man. Is this going to be the year of the farts? Maybe it's going to be over in like 30 days. Who knows? People know, man. They're like, no, I'm here to make money. No, it's a casino. Here for mindshare growth. They're here to play a video game, okay? Man, Fartcoin hitting $1 billion market cap. My gosh. I don't own that Fartcoin, okay? It's just weird. This Fartcoin was made in October 2024. And then this fart on PulseChain, like, they conceptualized it. It's funny, like December 2023. So they were first. It's baffling to me, man. Like, just, I guess it makes sense. Like, when you say the word meme, I'm thinking like a community of people who, like, you know, ride together, die together. I think of that. And then, like, other people think of different, when they think of the word meme, like, there's going to be vegan memes. There's going to be like girls club memes, that type of stuff. I guess that's when we onboard more people in crypto, right? There is no red candle strong enough to withstand the power of our belief. It's just you, me, and Spooney. Here's Matty, who's an actual admin mod in Ivan's chat. Get him, Spooney. So thank you very much. So actually, it made me laugh really, really hard because I just had the video pause. I went, hang a wee, come back. I just looking at the screen. I'm like, reading, get him, Spooney. It was hilarious coming in here. Yeah, get him, Spooney. They can't stop us. I've made, this is one of my screenshot friends I showed you about the PulseChain volume doing 42 million. Man, it's actually a great achievement because there's no CEX listings. There's none of this cross-volume, cross-inventory arbitrage because if you want to know, friends, how to cheat your volume, you get a lot of USD, you get a lot of stable coins, you slap them in lots of liquidity pools on your chain, and then the bots come in and they're trading with you. And they're basically crossing the volume of your exchange, of your chain, to the exchanges and to other chains. So you're letting them pick you off, but it's like so small over time because you're letting them arbitrage with stable coins out here. So they'll buy $1 million worth of your coin in the pool, they'll sell $1 million on $10 worth. So this scum MEV bot made $10, but the volume that went through is $2 million. You see? And it's like, oh, look at all this activity. But see, the market, we're not stupid out here. We have none of that on PulseChain pretty much. You see, you actually have coins out here, different coins. So people actually believe in this stuff. They say, Craptos, man, they got 75% less volume. That's how you can kind of figure this stuff out earlier. But also, you already know. You see the PulseChain logos. You see, or there's tattoos. There's people who believe the founder didn't dump every unlock and walk away after 3 years. You see that? So you can see this. Also, shout out to Mex Crazy. Moral of the story, we need to bribe the CEX. We don't need to bribe the CEX. It's just like, if someone with large bags, let's say Rector Michelle, let's say he might have like 1.5 billion in the future. Yeah, we'll have CEX listings and he can distribute over there orderly and slowly. You can do that, okay? Or anybody else with big bags. That's what the exchanges that you do, because you have a lot more players in the pool who are willing to trade with you, and because they're willing to trade momentum. Yeah, so that's how it would work. But remember, that's because you've grown so much, you've achieved that unlock. Okay, what do? They just start, they start the unlock on day one. They get that achievement for themselves, and then they release the tokens for themselves, and the community can't get anything. Also, this was hilarious, right, from Crypto BitLord. Honestly, F crypto. And sorry to anyone I got involved in this. It's 100% a scam. Stay away if you're reading this. So, it's obviously half joke, but we know half truth. Deep down, we're like, man, we've heard too many of these. We all feel the exact same way. But, look, I know, friends, but I know, just... 40 cycles still in play. I don't know what to say. It's literally still in play. Yeah, it does suck that others BTC is horrific. Again, yeah, look, I'm not going to beat around the bush. You already know it, okay? Others whoa, man, look at that. What the hell? Oh, well, and look at these other fractals. Look at these. Oh, man. So if you go the most conservative, like, if you match the fractals, man, we're already meant to be pumping. Well, yeah. But hey, how do I rectify it? Look, friends, it's the 4-year global liquidity cycle. So I guess we just wait for next year. We just wait for next year, and it just might start going up. But also, man, this is the deep. My gosh, bang, all of these. So yeah, you feel the tone. You know, doesn't mean it's over. It just means like, well, you're not getting a chance to cheat for a 10x. Okay, you're gonna cheat on the crash. They're not gonna sell on the 4 or 5. They're gonna start selling a bit probably, but then after on the crash, that's when they all realize, freaking hell, crypto's a scam. We're waiting too long. I found this funny. Nearly half of Americans have $500 or less in their savings account. So I remember Travon, shout out to Travon, who posted that. I forgot to give you credit, sorry, sir. Just can't be bothered typing, you know. So, but Travon posted that, but he had a negative the orange juice glass is half empty approach. He's like, oh, damn, it's bad out there. And I'm like, no, bro, that's opportunity. That means half of Americans are just one meme coin away from changing their life. And I'm not even joking. They literally are, okay? If you constantly have $500 in your account, you're eventually going to open your eyes to the people who don't only have $500 in your account. And you're going to start asking questions. Hey, what happened? Now, you're going to hear two things. You're going to hear long-term investing, buying for the long term, delay gratification. They'll hear that and they'll go, oh, cool, I believe you. Then 2 weeks later, they'll run into someone who says, hey, this meme coin just went up 50x in 3 months. And you too can make 50x if you just put it in here. That's what they're going to hear. And then all that information about delaying gratification, like, yeah, that sounds boring. Give me some of that meme coin stuff. 50x in 3 months. I'd like that. And they all think about it at the same time and they all come rushing in. Now that you see how we get a 2025 bull market. I see it. Also, shout out to my friends Hextrapolated. One out of 2 family members that make fun of you for being in crypto have a savings well below what the average crypto holder has in meme coins. We are winning. So, you know what? They're all going to come for it. Like, hey, we're crypto thing, because they don't know. Hey, there's like, you know, there's 38,000 meme coins. So when they see, oh, Fartcoin went up 55x, they think, oh, everyone in crypto is making money. And even though you explain it to them, they get that fear of missing out. That's why rationality doesn't work. You're like, hey, there's 38,000 coins. Yeah, you know what? It works on half the people because they get lazy. Like, oh, I'm not going to do anything. But then they just hear it too many. They hear about the Fartcoin. Then they hear about the Pepe. Then they hear about something else next year. Unfortunately, after hearing about 3 or 4 times, they're like, that's it. Everyone else is making money in all these coins. I'm getting in. And unfortunately, they all think about it at the same time. And then they have to be bag holding through like 3 Christmases with us just to make it through the next cycle. But yeah, that's what happens. The mind of the crowd, the mind of the market. So if you don't act early and buy in the depression, okay, with money that you can afford to lose at the point, okay, if you don't act, friends, what ends up happening is the fear gets built up in your heart after that long. You're like, man, I'm never gonna make it. I'm literally never gonna make it, because they always find that there's that one guy who's wearing like glasses here, you know, there's always a guy wearing glasses. He's got his like checkered shirt. He's like, I too used to be like you. I used to have $800 in my account. I was homeless, and then I discovered shit coins. You know what I mean? So that they hear that, and the guy starts off like that, and that's it. They start going nuts. They have to go nuts. I mean, it's a normal response, and it's kind of funny. We laugh at it now, but actually, we're all here because someone said something like that to us. like, because we saw it, man. Like, why I took crypto seriously is there were some terrible traders couldn't make money trading futures and stuff. Came to crypto, they started having literally $80,000 months back in 2018. You understand? That's like, I know you're desensitized to something like that now. Everyone is, but that's like, I guess, having like a $400,000 month here now. It's literally that, because that's 2018 days, man. 2017 days. You know, we hadn't seen all these preppy and 1000Xs and stuff. We didn't have Uniswap and stuff made out. So yeah, you understand, like me, I'm like, then I had a fear in my heart. I'm like, oh my gosh, the retards are making money. When I saw that, I'm like, no, I can definitely figure that out. If those people were winning, is that easy, you know? So yeah, that's how everyone comes in that. We actually got the fear. Look, oh my God, I'm in the wrong industry. There's retards here making money. It's a gold rush. So, you know, where to from here? Well, where to from here, friends? This is still others BTC. Remember, this fib is from here to the bottom. The extension takes us all the way up there. I'm just guessing how this plays out. See, this part up here, it's about coins go from a 3 to a 5x from today, max. And then, bang, now they're only up from that point. They're only up like a 2. I'm expecting Jeets to get out hard here. We just come back and backtest something like that. Maybe, oh, here it is. Oh, that's actually perfect. Wow. We actually come back and we backtest 475 billion. And everyone says it's over. They all say it's over. And look, I'll just, once again, friends, you, me, and Spooney, of course, our nipple pegs, I can just feel it. Well, like, you know, bull markets don't end because all you stinking noodle arm Jeets declare it to end. Okay? They end when you all go and turbo leverage long the top. When you all tell me it's never ending. Okay? That's how bull markets end. It's called euphoria. And that's why I believe in our friendship, and also perhaps a white swan event at the end of next year where they say the 4-year cycle's over, guys, because insert good news. Donald Trump's buying, or hey, the US Fed likes Bitcoin. They actually said they'll buy it, you know, or someone passes they put a bill out. Let's put the Bitcoin asset on the US Federal Reserve balance sheet. Let's pass that bill. Something where they're like, dude, you know, just big news. Or maybe they just flat out start money printing because the yield curve and everything, you know, recession's trying to crack the economy. You know, just, I don't know what it is. You can leave your mind open. Could be friends, even UFOs land and go, hey, bull market's not over. I don't know if I'd want to fade those though. But yeah, you have to see the point. So you don't know what the news is. Doesn't matter. Just that's how they end, friends. Because here's the thing, like, when the mania goes, you go back to fair value, okay? But if there's only believers and you never rise above the fair value much, like a 2 or 3x, and you come back down, you only drop in like 60%, 70%. You never left fair value by a long shot. But when there's all the retailers coming in, you can leave fair value by like a 5x or higher. So if you leave fair value by 5x, you get an 80% drop bear market, yeah? But many coins obviously left fair value by like 10x. So they drop 90% to come back. Do you see? But if you never leave the fair value, you're just grinding along it. So you're just literally just a believer. You're just waiting infinite amount of time to leave. That's what good investors do, okay? Good investors, okay, you're a believer and you hold, okay? And you take some profit along the way, you trim along the way, okay, get it. But for the most part, you hold. You don't decide to step out unless you see a large number of people and you say, you know what, man? I've checked your Pokemon starting pack. Why are there 3 Rattatas in there? Make sure you like, subscribe, belly button, or catch you in the next one.